1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, it's me, your girl Sephy, and I am welcoming you to my little corner of YouTube. I am currently enjoying the city of Nairobi, and as you can see, Kenya fits me because I'm glowing. And while being here, I decided to show you a precious gem that is for those interested in seeing or buying properties in Kenya. This property called 𝗟𝗏𝗁 Residence is developed and managed by one of the trusted multinational real estate company called 𝗥𝗨𝗙𝗪 Real Estate, and it is actually located in a high-end area called Westland, which I spoke about this area in my previous videos, so you can watch it there. This property is made up of several amenities and advantages such as backup generators, heated swimming pool, you have a garden, you have barbecue area, that's on the topmost floor, you have an indoor games room, you also have a game room for the children, you have fully equipped gym, high-speed lifts, rooftop lounge, you have fiber optic Wi-Fi connected throughout the building, you also have CCTV camera, video intercom, TV lounge, borehole, and several others. In fact, the list is endless, so I will need the manager to take over to kind of give you a brief summary or introduction to this residence before we go for an actual tour.
One of the beauties of this product is purely the location. It's in a very prime area. So prime area in terms of the road network, prime area in terms of the social amenities that are nearby, prime area as well in terms of the targeted clientele. So that's the beauty of this project. We've also seen the uniqueness in terms of the amenities. They're on the 21st floor. So you have a heated swimming pool, you have a fully equipped gym that is a sky gym. You have a very good view when you are working out. We also have a barbecue area, a lounge area where you can host. What we've done also, we've secluded an area for the kids. So we have a kids play area. Also on our third floor is our reception area where we have the management team. We also have a prayer hall. We also have a very good lounge if you want to have maybe a meeting and don't want anyone to host anyone in their apartment. You can always come and utilize this space. In terms of parking, we have 5 levels of parking just to ensure that there is ample parking for all the tenants. I think also as you came in, you saw the security.
Yeah,
it's quite
tight. Yeah,
it's quite tight. So we ensure that also the safety of our tenants.
So the 𝗟𝗏𝗁 Residence has 153 apartments and 21 floors. So this residence is mainly made up of 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom apartments. So right now I'm going to show you the sample of a 1-bedroom furnished apartment. So follow me. By the way, there are elevators in every floor, so you can either choose to use the stairs in case you want to get a bit of spots, or use the elevator. And there's constant power supply, so don't worry, you can't be locked here. Okay. Welcome to the 1-bedroom apartment at the 𝗟𝗏𝗁 Residence. So you can see it's kind of a luxurious minimalistic apartment with a kitchen on one side, the living room just right here, and the dining room area just right here. I like this chandelier on the top. It kind of give me don't laugh at me, it kind of give me this biscuit this biscuit of French French vibe or French design, and the lights are kind of illuminated. I like the fact that imagine you eating here and just looking up there. It's very, very beautiful. They also have some candles, some scented candles, all design. I feel like you can easily find this kind of structure in a lot of apartments, but their attention to details in the decor and in the architecture just marvels me. They also have this mirror. I just love it. I just love this mirror. It kind of gives me this Greece, like I'm in Greece, but in Africa, with the black, actually the black gravel and then the mirror all in circle. And this was, it's also good for the aesthetic of it. And we now have the living room, the TV, obviously, a lot of scented candles, an artwork. There's the view here. It's amazing. Yeah. From here you can see like a very big part of Nairobi. A very, very, very wide part of Nairobi. Yes. Obviously the living room, you have this area here, and then the sofa and some decoration, some artifacts to kind of beautify the place. So they're kind of mixing African theme with foreign theme. I would say Greece or anyhow, it's unique. Let's now come to the kitchen area. The kitchen area is fully furnished. As you can see, you have the washing machine. You have a lot of kitchen cabinets. You have an extractor, a heat extractor, and a cooker, so that vapor when you are cooking shouldn't kind of disturb the ambience of the house. You have scented natural aroma to kind of make the house smell or look fresh. And I like the fact that they are really going for natural scents. Yes, you have the microwave here, and you have a fridge waiting for you to come and furnish it. Now we are kind of done with this dining area, living room and kitchen. So I'm going to take you now to the bedroom, because here is only made of one bedroom. Let's go. So welcome to the bedroom. I love it. It's giving. I love the walls, the details on the walls. I don't know how I can call it, but it has. I'm liking the vocabulary for it, but if you can see, it has like a design, like drawings on it. With glitter impregnated in it. It's like it's on its own an artifact. So I just imagine it in the night when you off the lights. You have obviously drawers, bed. You have the bed. So I'm doing the bed test for you to see. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Yes. So the bed is set. You have this chandelier, this normal chandelier, and another lantern. Or a lamp, yeah, for a better lamp or lantern. You have this little chair here, very comfy. I love the chair, very comfy. And another lantern or bedside lamp, obviously. And again, what is Nairobi houses or elite residence without the view? The view, amazing. So now I think we are going to end with the bathroom or the washroom, because we only have one available here. Oh, before that, I need to show you this. We have like a small mirror area here. Just hide here. You know, to keep yourself beautiful. Yeah. There is the wardrobe with, you know, something to cover yourself with you and bae. And the ironing board, the iron is there. You have like a change of bed sheets there, all for you. So if you come here, you basically don't need to bring anything, because everything has been provided for you. You also have a vast variety of towels and anything you need for the house, all provided for you. We are going to go to the washroom or the bed or the toilet or the washroom. Yeah, we are going to go to the washroom. So here's the washroom. One thing I love about it is it has an LED mirror, which I think is pretty unique. An LED mirror. It has hot water and cold water available. There are scented candles everywhere for the aesthetic and the ambience. And obviously, a shower with plants available for you. So this is all about Now we are done with the first part of the tour of this property. That is a one-bedroom apartment of the elite residence, which is available for rent at a price of $1,300 monthly, or for purchase at a price of $140,000 Now that we are done with the first apartment tour, I think we'll now have a quick brief with the manager, then we'll now move to the second apartment tour. Let's go.
So as you've seen the property, Elite Residence, it's a mixture of 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. It's a project that we delivered late last year, and within the period that we've been able, I think it was end of the last year, and during that period we've managed to at least 80% occupancy within that frame. And what we usually do as Val Real Estate, we are a 360-degree company, so we handle all factors in terms of the real estate. So from the construction to the beautiful finishes that you've seen, we do the sales and the marketing. And also once the project is ready, we are the ones who also handle the management. And with the management also comes now for clients who are looking at investment, we handle that as well, because we have a dedicated letting team that will be able to do the letting on your behalf. And as you've seen,
I think
Sephy,
you said letting, that means renting, because some people might not get it. No, it's fine.
Yes.
I'm trying to break it down for renting. Like, so in case you're an investor, you want to buy property, and then so they can handle the renting for you, and then per month you receive just the alert.
Correct. And not only this product, we have other products that we are also selling as off-plan. And the beauty of buying off-plan is basically you have the flexibility in terms of the payment plan.
So off-plan, for those that don't know, off-plan means that you pay and then they show you the demo, like the architectural design, and then they build it for you. And sometimes it's cheaper because than buying an on-plan which is already ready.
Yes, definitely. It's quite cheaper because it's way below the market price, as well as it allows you that flexibility in terms of your cash payments, because you only need around 20-30% in terms of the initial deposit, then the balance you're able to spread during a specific period. So if the construction is 2 years, you're able to spread that over 2 years. If it's 4 years, the same. And the good thing with the Val Real Estate is that what we promise is what we deliver.
Yeah.
So from the initial, if you were to check initially during when we were doing the model for Elite Residence, and now come see the final product, you will see the similarities in terms of the quality. So it's something that we don't compromise, and we welcome you to invest with us.
Yeah, also I think I need to highlight the Elite Residence is mostly 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms, right?
Yes, correct.
This one, because mostly for where the area is mostly fast-paced, business people, mostly foreigners, but they also have like 3 bedroom or 2 bedroom
3 bedrooms, 1
buildings that hopefully you'll be able to see. But today we'll just focus on the Elite Residence to show you the beauty, the glamour, the perfection, and how they took their time to make this artifact. So this is where we end with the first part of this property tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I can't wait for you guys to see the second part, which will be available in 24 hours. That is tomorrow on my channel. So just keep tuned, in fact, on your notification button, and just wait for the second part to be up, and wish you will enjoy it. So we are done with this video, and please, in case you haven't subscribed, kindly do so by clicking the subscribe button, and see you in a few hours. Bye.